Hello and welcome to everyone. So today we will learn some important prepositions. So let's get started. All types of with definitions and examples. Prepositions of time. Prepositions of time are used to indicate when something happens. The most common prepositions of time: at, on and in. At, on and in. एट यूज्ड फॉर स्पेसिफिक टाइम। एट का यूज़ हम स्पेसिफिक टाइम के लिए करते हैं, लाइक द मीटिंग स्टार्ट्स एट 5 p.m. ऑन यूज्ड फॉर डेज एंड डेट्स। सी वॉज born on Monday. In used for months, years, centuries and long periods, right? इनका यूज हम मंथ्स के लिए करेंगे, ईयर्स, सेंचुरीज एंड लॉन्ग टाइम। इंडिया बिकेम इंडिपेंडेंट इन 1947। Thus, prepositions of time help us express chronological order and duration clearly. Prepositions of place. Prepositions of place describe the position of something at specific point के लिए हम at का यूज़ करेंगे। She is at the bus stop. Inside something, the keys are in the bag. On surface के लिए करेंगे, right? The book is on the table. These prepositions indicate spatial relationship in a sentence. Prepositions of direction or movement show movement from one place to another place. To movement toward. He went to Delhi. Into movement inside. The cat jumped into the box. ऑन टू मोमेंट टू सरफेस। सरफेस के ऊपर जो मोमेंट होगी, गति होगी, राइट? सी क्लाइम्ड ऑन टू द स्टेज। सी क्लाइम्ड ऑन टू द स्टेज। हैंस दे डिमोन्स्ट्रेट मोशन एंड ट्रांजिशन। मोशन एंड ट्रांजिशन। Prepositions of manner, instrument and agent. This preposition describe how something is done. How something is done, right? By agent or doer. The novel was written by Tagore with instrument. He cut the paper with scissors. इन मैनर इनका यूज़ हम मैनर में भी करते हैं, राइट? सी स्पोक इन अ पोलाइट मैनर। सी स्पोक इन अ पोलाइट मैनर। कॉन्सिक्वेंटली दिस प्रीपोजिशंस क्लियरली द मेथड एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। Prepositions of cause, reason and purpose. This explain why something happens because of reason के लिए यूज़ करेंगे, right? The match was cancelled because of rain. Because of rain. Due to cause, the delay was due to heavy traffic. Due to heavy traffic. For purpose, she studies hard work for success. She studies hard work for success. Thus they establish logical connections in writing. Compound preposition formed by combining words include, in front of, because of, according to, in spite of. Include compound preposition in front of, because of, according to, in spite of. The car is parked The car is parked in front of the house. In spite of difficulties, he succeeded. Compound prepositions add clarity and precision. Clarity and precision. Phrase prepositions. Phrase prepositions. Most important preposition. Phrase prepositions. Phrase prepositions are groups of words functioning as a single preposition with regard to, in addition to, on account of. With regard to question, I will reply soon. In addition to English, she knows French. They enhance formal and academic writing. Conclusion. In conclusions, prepositions are indispensable elements of English grammar because they connected nouns, pronouns, and phrases to other words in a sentence. Although they are small words, they carry significant meaning. Moreover, by the mastering different types of preposition, time, place, directions, manner, cause, compound, and phrases prepositions, so student can write more accurately, speak more fluently, spontaneously, clearly, and naturally. Therefore, consistent practice and attentive reading are essential for achieving proficiency in the correct uses of prepositions.